Welcome to Magic. No, I'm just making something up. Magic Protest. As you can see, I have a bottle, and I'm holding this right here. See, I'm holding it, can't fall. And there's nothing else, so you can see nothing. You can also look like there's nothing on the bottom. There's no way it can go through. No way it can go through. Now just watch how I do this. Get ready. See how? Here are the secrets. There's another one right in there. So, I hold it. I just wait. Just hold it. Cover it. I take off the real one. It looks like. So, thank you for watching my magic. Please subscribe. I'm going to make more videos today, tomorrow, and this whole entire summer. Stay tuned.